Good morning and welcome to today. I'm drinking coffee. So I just got a package from the Office Depot man. And it has this in it. Yes. That was way louder than I was expecting. And I don't know where to put those. I'm home. I've been home for like an hour and a half. But I'm hungry and there's nothing to eat and I'm tired. I think I'm just gonna lay down because I am just tired. Oh, this is nice. So my mom made chicken and potatoes and rice for dinner. The rice had vegetables in it. It's not about the vegetables. I just didn't care for that rice. Chicken rice. I don't know. I didn't like it, but the chicken was really good. The chicken and the potatoes were so good. But I just came outside and I just saw the coolest lightning ever. And now it's not doing it anymore. Because it rained. Apparently, I was on my way home from work and I hit a spot where it all of a sudden it was just some rain for a minute and then not even a minute. And then I guess it rained after I got home. I didn't take a nap, I just laid down and watching Gilmore Girls. But now, oh, it just did it. I'm just gonna keep the camera like this till it does it again. Come on, lightning. Yeah. Do it again. Do a big lightning. Or not. That's cool. Anyways, I'm really happy because I don't have to go back to work till Friday at 1. So happy. Not that I don't like it, I'm just tired. I'm not tired of being there, I'm just tired. I'm kind of tired of being there, I'm there a lot. But it's okay. It's hot outside. No, that's when it beeped last time when I was touching it. I'm not gonna be able to sleep with that. Yeah, I don't like that. Stupid alarm, it's loud. Stupid fire alarm. It's still doing stuff. It won't shut up. This thing is stupid. Annoying. They're gonna beep again? Timer. Is it gonna?
It is only 30 seconds.
Is it gonna? Oh, yeah, so it's every 30 seconds, so...
It's malfunctioning.
It's malfunctioning or you need a new detector.
Because it's malfunctioning.
Wow. Good news. The other fire alarm. Keep calling it fire alarm. The other smoke detector works that I'm gonna have to borrow for the night, and then I have to go get a new one for the basement tomorrow. Good to know that one of them works. No, just kidding. I think we have like 3 or 4 in my house. 4? I think there's one in the garage now. There's one in the basement. One up in the entryway. The one from the hallway, but now I have that one that I just checked it. Now that we got that sorted out, it's about bedtime. Don't know what that was. But anyways, if you liked anything in this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you want to see what I do tomorrow and all the other days, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Come on. Vlog with me. Vlog with me. Vlog with me. Vlog with me.